Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna eat this chocolate. Well, I've never tried this before. This is the delicious chocolate in the world. Akin. Ito. Yeah. I sprinkle, oh. I sprinkle. I wonder what's the sprinkle taste. So I'm gonna pick the blue one because the blue one is my favorite. And that's red. Red imposter Among Us. Did you see all these Among Us sprinkles? It looks like Among Us are playing around all of them. Tita, gusto mo? Ayoko po.
Gusto mo na lang si tita. Thank you.
Yum. Ulit. Ulit. There's all sprinkles in the bed. Are they alone? And another one. I want to eat in the pasta. What did you say? There you go. Ang lap ya. Okay. Yummy. This is the yummy chocolate in the world. Yummy.
Ni Mark? Ni Mark Anthony Cushion.
Ay. Nom. Yummy.
Dahil tinatawa na kanina.
Oh.
Bakit?
Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.